Hi guys, this is my new Insta360 X3. We'll just see how this looks. I got it from Amazon for around 26,000. This is the packaging. Let's just cut this out. Looks nice. Let me just open this packaging up. Okay, this is torn already, so should be fine. And now, where is this? Yes, okay, here it is. Oh my god, this is heavy. Okay, this is really heavy. I didn't expect it to be so heavy, but never mind. Let's see what's inside the box. Do we have something else? Nothing in here. And in here we have some okay, this is a cover for the device and some leaflets, waterproofing, whatnot. Okay, some documents. Okay, I'll just see if we can power this on first. There should be a power button here. Okay, there's a blue light. Yes, it powered on. Nice. That's cool. So yeah, that's how this looks. From the left side, from the front, top and bottom. So yeah, that was a quick 2-minute unboxing. Ciao.